Hello and welcome back to the Codership channel, where we simplify Odoo for you. In today's video, we're exploring one of the most exciting AI-powered features in Odoo 19, email template generation. If you ever felt that your emails sound too repetitive or robotic, this new feature will completely change the way you create and send messages. Odoo now lets you use AI prompts directly inside your email templates to generate smart, dynamic, and personalized content instantly. Let's jump into Odoo and see how it works. First, let's open Settings. In the search bar, type Email Templates, and then click the Review All Templates button. Here you'll see a list of all your existing templates. From this view, you can edit any of them or create a brand new one. Let's go ahead and click New to create a fresh template. At the top, give your email a name. Let's call this one Welcome Email. Next, in the Applies To field, select the model you want this template to be linked with. In this example, I'll choose lead, so this email can be sent automatically when a new lead is created. Then let's add a subject line, something simple like Welcome to Codership. Now let's move down to the body section. This is where we'll write the actual email content. And here's where Odoo 19's new AI tools really shine. In this editor, you can use the / to bring up a menu of quick commands. Things like formatting options, inserting placeholders, or using AI prompts. Let's choose prompt. You'll see a new field appear where you can describe what kind of message you want the AI to write for you. For example, I can type, write a friendly welcome email for a new lead, name / contact name, introducing our company Codership. Now this part that starts with a slash, like /contact name, is called a dynamic placeholder. It automatically pulls data from your records, like the lead's name, company, or email address. That means every time this template is used, Odoo fills in the real information for you, making each email feel personal without any manual editing. And as you can see, placeholders appear highlighted, so they're easy to spot while editing your template. Once your prompt is ready, Odoo's AI takes care of the rest. Let's click Preview to see what the generated email looks like. Here you'll see both your subject line and the body text created by the AI based on the prompt you wrote. And the best part, each time you preview it with a different record, the message changes slightly. So every recipient gets a unique, natural sounding version of the email. This makes your communication feel more genuine, even if it's fully automated. Now, what if you want to adjust the tone or style of the message? You don't need to rewrite everything from scratch. Just tweak your prompt. For example, you can say, make it more formal, or let's type, add a meeting request. And preview again, and Odoo instantly regenerates a new version of your email with those changes applied. You can use this approach for all kinds of templates: introductions, follow-ups, thank you notes, or even marketing campaigns. Whether you want your message to sound short and casual or professional and structured, the AI adapts automatically to your instructions. And that's it. We've just created a fully dynamic AI-powered email template in Odoo 19. With this feature, you can save a lot of time, keep your communication consistent, and still make every message feel personal and engaging. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Odoo tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.